Hey guys, it's Tuesday. I have a tip for you. So who loves hot cocoa? I know I do. So I've got some of my hot cocoa right here. My favorite way to drink hot cocoa is to add some doTERRA peppermint essential oil. And it's a very potent oil if you're very familiar with doTERRA essential oils. So what I like to do is do the toothpick method. Now I know I could put peppermint in my hot cocoa because it has a supplement fact on the label, so I know that's safe to ingest. So I grab a toothpick, comme ça. All right, here we go. And then you just want to take the toothpick, put it inside, do a little dip, spit around if you want, and then you could kind of like soak it up as far as you want on the toothpick. Then you want to give it a swirl in your coffee, in your cup, sorry, in your mug. And then just take a sip. If that's to your liking, you're done. If you want to add a little bit more, grab another toothpick and do the process again. And that's it, you guys. Enjoy your hot cocoa. Stay warm and cozy. Bye, guys.